Okay, here come the Lindenhurst snails. All right. Oh, nice.
Yes, no!
Yay.
Nice
All
run.
right. Good job. And there's the official making it ready for the next team.
Good job, Snails.
Yes, good job, guys. Good job. We're in a different spot now. Here's the Copeg yellowbirds. There's the hydrant right there. So now we'll be able to see what they actually do right there also. This is the efficiency. All right, here they come. And there they got it.
Time for Copeg, 9.80. 980.
All right, so now you guys got to see a little bit of what they do with the hydrant and all that. Now they're getting it ready for the next team. Rolling up the hose. There they go with the hose. Snails are up next.
Come on, Snails.
All right, here they come. Oh my goodness! Oh, that poor guy.
Holy shit.
And there's a leak in the
Oh
hose.
my god.
Oh, jeez.
Holy shit.
That poor guy.
Some tumble. This guy was flying.
Jeez.
Oh my god. Wow. I got
Ouch.
that one on video.
What a tumble. Can't believe I got that on
Wow.
video. Holy smokes.
Holy shit.
Wow. Oh, shit.
Run. Unbelievable.
Farmingville Bandits.